When comparing Oberlo versus AliExpress for dropshipping, you may wonder which one's truly the best for beginner sellers. If you're new to the dropshipping game, this is exactly what you need to know. By the end, I'll share a platform that I believe is actually the best choice, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with Oberlo. Oberlo was the go-to dropshipping platform for many years. It's been a favorite among beginners due to its seamless integration with Shopify. Setting up your store and importing products is pretty simple. You can easily find suppliers, and the process is user-friendly, especially for those who are just starting out. However, it's important to note that Oberlo shut down in 2022. It was replaced by Shopify's native solution, Xers, which leads us to our next point. Next, let's talk about AliExpress, the marketplace that's often associated with dropshipping. AliExpress is widely used, and there's a huge selection of products to choose from, making it appealing to beginner sellers. The biggest advantage of AliExpress is its low upfront cost, which is great when you're trying to test products. You can easily find suppliers for almost anything, but the platform doesn't integrate as seamlessly as Oberlo did with Shopify. Plus, the shipping times can be a deal breaker for many customers as it's known for being quite slow, which can impact customer satisfaction and your store's reputation. The third thing to consider is product quality. AliExpress hosts a lot of suppliers, so quality can be hit or miss. Some products are great, but others might not meet your standards, and it's hard to vet suppliers effectively, especially for beginners. While Oberlo helps streamline some of this, AliExpress doesn't provide as much oversight. Now, let's talk about ease of use. While both platforms are beginner-friendly, AliExpress can feel overwhelming at times. The sheer volume of options can make it difficult to know where to start. In contrast, Oberlo made it easy to filter suppliers by ratings and product quality, which was a major plus for beginners looking for a simpler experience. With AliExpress, you'll spend more time sifting through reviews and trying to understand the nuances of supplier ratings. And then, there's the customer service side of things. Shopify's integration with Oberlo allowed for customer service features that made communication easier and more streamlined. AliExpress doesn't have quite the same infrastructure for sellers, so if you run into an issue with a supplier or a product, you may have a harder time resolving it. The fourth thing to mention is pricing. While both Oberlo and AliExpress are low-cost options for starting out, the costs associated with dropshipping on AliExpress can creep up as you factor in things like shipping fees, product pricing, and your marketing spend. Oberlo kept things pretty straightforward, but now that it's gone, you may find yourself spending a bit more with Shopify's Xers if you're looking for the same ease of use and product access. Now, after trying all of these platforms, including Oberlo, AliExpress, and others, I've come across a better alternative for beginner dropshippers. While the platforms mentioned are good for getting started, if you want a smoother experience, faster customer service, and a better integration system, I recommend you try the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. The truth is, dropshipping can be tough to navigate at first. Both Oberlo and AliExpress have their advantages, but if you want something that truly works in the long run and helps you scale faster, the solution I'm sharing is the one you need.